welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to press the subscribe button and you'll be informed of when I upload next. Today's video is a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look, and yeah, I've got a new camera, so I thought I'd do... What is Tilly doing? I thought I'd do a makeup look, just basically seeing how the camera go... I'm just basically going through the settings whilst filming this video, seeing how it goes, what I like, and then editing it, and basically probably seeing that it's probably not really good because I'm not really good with technical things. But yeah, this is just a trial video, so it's nothing too... yeah, it's nothing too out there. So yeah, so far so good. The only thing is the viewfinder is this way. So I will probably be constantly looking that way, because before my viewfinder was on top of the camera, so I was just like looking up. Didn't really actually make it obvious because most of the time I was looking at myself anyway and you could not tell. So this one is a bit different. I don't mind, but yeah. So if you want to see how I created this Valentine's Day makeup look, then keep on watching. So I'm just going to go in with the Revolution Glow Revolution Illuminating Spray. I absolutely adore this product. It just really illuminates your skin, and I just feel like it's just the perfect primer. Like, you can use it throughout the whole makeup look. I'm going to use it at the beginning before I apply it, and then I'm going to use it after I've pretty much done my whole base, and then I might use it at the end. I tend to use this one quite a lot, put it that way. You just shake it, and then... oh, it really annoys me that you get two lids, and then just spray. So I'm just going to take the Revolution Matte Base Foundation, and this one is in the shade F3, and I've just been absolutely loving it. And I'm just blending it out with a beauty blender. So I keep just playing around with the camera setting. If the brightness changes and anything just basically changes in this video, you know why. I'm just playing around, seeing what I like. Once I've edited, I probably still won't know what I've done. But yeah, this video is just playing around. I'm just going to go in with the Revolution Matte Base Powder in the shade P3. Now for this, I used to actually use the viewfinder to apply this, so I still might. I just might be looking that way. And I just really love this powder because I used to just have one drugstore powder, and then Revolution released a powder, so I had to buy it, of course, and I've actually fallen in love with it. So, and then I'm going to go in with the Revlon Photo Ready Insta Sculpt Contour Palette and just contour my cheekbones with this one, because this palette, ooh, does not open. This palette is absolutely gorgeous, and I just love using it on a daily basis. And I'm just taking the lightest shade. I hope it's coming up on camera because my last camera didn't really show that much. So I'm hoping that you can actually finally see a bit of contour, as well as hopefully the brightness is fine. I feel like I've just been playing with the brightness throughout this whole video. And then taking the Lottie London Tan Time Bronzer, I'm just going to bronze my face with this one because I absolutely adore this bronzer. I just feel really bronzed, and compared to some other drugstore bronzers, this one has come on top. So I'm just going to apply this. I'm just going to apply this to my face, and I just feel like this one actually comes out, like my forehead is like bronzed. And you don't even need a lot, like a little goes a long way. Maybe I put too much on. I feel like in the bronzer I'm really dark, which is why I keep fiddling with lighting, but I bet you I'll go and edit and it'll be absolutely fine. But that's the whole point of the video, because I do not know what I am playing with. So yeah, seriously, this bronzer is my favourite. And then for highlighter, I'm just going to go in with the Maybelline Chrome Studios highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold, and this one is absolutely stunning, perfect for Valentine's Day. Just absolutely love it. And then for brows, I'm just going to go in with my favourite brow pomade from the drugstore, which is the Revolution Pro Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate, and apply this to my brows. I have just turned down the brightness again. I have shut the curtain because the sun was annoying. I'm hoping this video is going okay. Now, I don't really know what's going on with the brows, but they are done. I tried to get them as even as possible, but I don't know, just not a brow day for me today. So yeah, just ignore them for now. Also, Tilly has decided to come in. Yeah, she is on the windowsill, probably going to be interrupting parts of the video, so I do apologise for that. And I have also changed the lighting again on this camera. The viewfinder just puts things as like darker, and I'm not sure if it's right or not, so I'm just going to see how it goes. But yeah, for eyes, I'm going to go in with the Revolution Pro Entrance palette, because I feel like this palette will be perfect for Valentine's Day. I literally forgot what video I was filming then. So I'm just gonna, I don't know. I am just going to do a makeup look. This is a very unplanned video. Well, it wasn't really unplanned, but I'm doing it with a new camera, so I don't really know what I'm doing. But for anyone wondering, I'm just gonna apply this shade Spellbind to my crease. And then I'm just going to take the shade Euphoric and apply that to my outer corner. I just want to keep this makeup look quite simple, so I'm not going to go into many shades. I'm just going to apply this to my outer corner. And I know some of you want me to do a video separately on the Entrance palette, so I was thinking about doing like another makeup look and maybe like swatches as well. So maybe give this video a thumbs up, letting me know if you'd like to see a video like that. So it looks like I am finally going to go in with some concealer, and I'm just going to apply this to my lids and basically clean up any messy areas, and just for a better pigmentation of the eyeshadow that I'm going to apply to my lids as well. I do this quite often, you don't have to, but I just like to do it. And then I'm just going to apply the shade Trance to my lids, and this one is going to pop because I've just put the concealer there. That's actually a really pink colour. Okay, that actually holds quite good pigment, and there has been no fallout, so I actually quite like this palette, and I probably will do a video on this palette because there's quite a lot of shades to go through and generally liking it. So I was debating whether to actually use this product, but I thought, why not? I'm still kind of debating it, but I feel like I should use it. I haven't really used these on my channel a lot at all really, so why not use them now? And yeah, so this is the Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Polina, and it's just going to be like a silvery shade, and I feel like it will just bring out the eye makeup look a bit more and just be like a little bit more girly. I don't know, I'm just going to try it, see what happens. I haven't actually used this shade before, so it's literally going to be, I don't know, it's just going to be something different. And I was keeping it drugstore, but why not use one of these? Okay, I like in the sparkle. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, love it a lot, but I don't know if it will come up on camera, but I can definitely see it. So I started applying it to my right eye, absolutely fine, but then I felt like it was running out, like the product was running low. Like I know it's like a small product, like, where is it? Like it is generally a small product, and I don't know, I just felt like it's the first time I've used it. I don't know, it's really weird. Let me see if I can apply it again. No, see, it just doesn't, and I feel like I'm just taking off my eyeshadow. So that's really down part of that product. Maybe I should just invest in like the larger size, but I don't know, I just feel like that was, I don't know. So yeah, a little bit disappointed, but it is sparkly, so I'm okay with that. And I'm just going to jump off camera, put some false lashes on, and I shall be back. And for mascara, I'm just going to go in with my favourite drugstore mascara, which is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This one is newly bought. It is literally brand new. First time using it. Well, not first time using it. First time using it in new packaging. So that is my eye makeup complete. I absolutely adore that mascara. I just find that it doesn't really transfer on my lower lash line area. So that is my favourite mascara. So for lipstick, I'm going to go in with Maybelline Superstay Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade 15. Yep, 15 Lover, which I absolutely thought was a perfect shade for Valentine's Day. So I'm just going to apply this to my lips. And these absolutely smell amazing. And I absolutely adore that lipstick shade. I really think it's really girly and it's just perfect for winter and just Valentine's Day in general. So this is my finished Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe because I post regularly about makeup, so you... What are you doing? And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe because I post regularly about makeup, anything to do with makeup. There'll be hauls, anything, makeup looks, or anything on this channel, so you wouldn't want to miss that. But yeah, I hope you're having a great day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!